Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. Going to do another quick ChatGPT here. So I'm doing CIFAR 10, and it's already solved it to 85% accuracy. And I'll show you what I asked here. And this code I just copied and pasted. I got 85% accuracy. Now I'm going to ask it to help me make a confusion matrix. And I'm going to do this one as a live video, and hopefully it'll be quick. And we will see how it goes. If it goes over, say, 10 minutes, I'll just probably ditch the video. So already, I don't want to use Seaborn. I want to do this with Matplotlib. Okay, can you please do this with Matplotlib and not use Seaborn? Also, I'd like to be able to include the class names for CIFAR 10 in this. And then we'll see, oh wait, will it do it with Matplotlib? It might, Matplotlib might be a little too hard. It might want to do it with sklearn, but we'll see. So Matplotlib, assuming you already obtained the predictions. Okay, so they're not doing the predictions for me. So tf.math, confusion matrix, true labels, predictions, numpy, class names, so it's doing that. The figure, the subplot, image.ax, image show, blues, class names, rotation 45, that's going to be for the x, right? Yeah. And then the y ticks, confusion matrix. Okay, so it's giving the labels as well, plot im show. Okay, so in the interest of only doing this with copy and paste, I'm going to also ask this to create another cell. Oh, I forgot to ask it for no explanation, and so this risks me getting a network error because sometimes it'll erase the whole result, at least as it is in December 17th. I've seen it still doing that. Okay, so can you please also just send me 2 lines of code where it finds the predictions and it also puts in the values for, what was it, true values? True labels. Okay, so I'll copy this and pop it into here. I don't need this summary anymore. Taking up space, so I'll pop that in, and this won't work as is, but I should be able to hopefully replace these 2 lines of code with what they send me here. So I'll copy that and dump it in here. So you can see there are, some things that you need to do a little bit, to be involved, but overall, boom, there it is. And so we've already got it. We're at 3 minutes. I try to aim for like maybe 5 minutes or whatever, so can we please make that confusion matrix larger? And also, now this might be harder, get rid of the color in the diagonals. And I think that was called skip diagonals or shade diagonal. There's like an extra argument that I believe can be put into there. This is the wrong tab. Oh, but this is actually where I did something like that before, except I was doing this in TensorFlow JavaScript, and I believe, no, I did this on my own. This was part of a tutorial, and then I got rid of the diagonals, and then this I did on my own to the top right, and then to the top left, I did that with ChatGPT. So let's see if we've got, so now it's sending me the full code again, and see right here, pretty much any human would have avoided that mistake regardless of how new they are. And they seem to be sending me, this is not the same. They're actually set the color of the diagonal cells to white. It really didn't need to do that way. And then fig size 8 by 8, that's smaller than I want. And it's still explaining too. Okay, can I please get the fig size at 15? And also, I think there was an argument you might be able to send to turn off shade diagonal or something like that. And then, okay, we're at 5 minutes. So if this doesn't work, I'll just send it a more, oh, and I forgot to, once again, I forgot to say no explanations, please. So this could take a bit. But here's the confusion matrix. It's small, and it also doesn't have labels in there, and it seems to be skipping half the labels there. So that's also interesting. So let's see what we get. So again, it's still sending me this without the updated code to do this. And it's sending in basically the whole thing again instead of just sending in. So at least this is correct right here. And then we'll see if this ends up correct. But this is one of the tough parts with these kind of live coding ones. I used to do these, and sometimes one of them took like 45 minutes. And I don't think most people want to sit through that. So I might do another video where I just do this and then show the result. And we'll see how that goes. It uses the... Okay. So I'll just copy this and dump it here. And then really all I need from this is these. And pop that here. And then ditch this old code here. Okay, and then theoretically this should work. It'll at least make the image larger. I don't know if it's going to, axis shaded diagonal. Okay, I don't think that's how it's done. But at least the error is after the plot. So this isn't great. I've got another one somewhere that had done a better job. You know, like I'd like to see the numbers and stuff like that. But in 5-ish minutes, this is what we got, and I'll probably just make another video where I fine-tune this and then show the actual results. But the main thing I want to show is what is it like actually working with this. It's not some, you know, wunderkind that's going to just dive in and do the whole thing for you and do an amazing job. You know, you've got to be somewhat hands-on with it, and I don't see this laying people off in the near future. I see it as a tool that can quickly outline your code, and you're like, oh, well, I know how to fix this, and okay, I'll add the fig size, you know, and you can, it can speed things up as long as you're not trying to exclusively copy and paste like I am. That's why it goes slower in these cases. But when I get a quick outline, things are nice and quick. If you found this interesting and helpful, please leave a like. If you got any questions, comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.